one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today matter he wear agbada, he come wear to join now. And remember, I may share this video because we see this the apple for this world. One driver will be say they do kidnapping, where they carry people, will carry people from Edo. You go say they carry them go Lagos. The next thing you go see yourself for another place. It don't take where this man don't they do this thing. Like God finally punish her now. So I got the punish her. You can't carry another people now to Lagos. Now you say they carry them, they go. They can't go see their safe for Ibadan. Ibadan, now they can't go see their safe. And they don't take where this man, though they do this thing, don't take. Now God say it's time, don't reach where they go take cash am. Then they take cash and so my darling people. Like, I don't understand. As they come, they tell the man, say, make it confess. The man don't want to confess. Make it confess because they don't take where in though they do this thing. Now God say it's time, don't reach where they go take cash am. Then make the cash and so my darling people. I go put the video more on this thing. See, when one get they say, if not be God, say if they serve God, then only the people where they serve God, they survive them. They survive them. My darling people, like, what did they happen for this world? Things they read they happen. No. Why it be say kidnapping become full everywhere now? Everywhere kidnapping. What it can they play? My bonga people, as I see the video, I say my coach share them with you now. More and see what they happen for the world. Though things they happen. No, if I want enter bus or anywhere on they travel, more and pray, because. Wetin come dey happen now, me I no understand whether the world wan end or me I no know. So I go put the video now more and list my darling people. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye. Please share the video.
Now wow, nothing I don't go see. Now Ibadan dey o. Driver carry people come drop for Ibadan. Say na where they go. People sleep for motor. No be smart, you know. Nothing I don't go see. I beg how Ibadan take become worry. Nothing I don't go see for this life. Oh, wetin concern Ibadan? Wetin concern worry? People sleep. Now let two people where they serve God. Now they awake. I beg una serve God. Oh, una serve God. Driver they don't cash am. I beg Ibadan no be worry. Una serve God. Now let two people they awake. Oh, now be God will save them. Hey, I be worry. Oh, I don't know how Ibadan take time to worry. When I see me see success. Oh, no be small thing I see for here. Oh, hey, I beg make I show the mommy wait and the daddy wait. See the daddy. Hey, if they serve God, when I serve God, oh, now God make this daddy they awake. Oh, therefore don't go use them do ritual. God of heaven. Make I go see driver.
You tell your passenger say you collect something or you don't get it. Before I do stop, I tell them say I want to see. Now for here you get it. I don't remember get the fucking answer. Everything you come do for here. One trailer so what do you like that right?
Now the second mommy be this. Where God make it there awake. Therefore don't use all of them do ritual this morning. Now worry that they go now Ibadan they come. See me see wahala. Now I be worried picking though. I be worried picking. I don't know how worried take on time, but I don't reach my key head.
Person will not know you before. Go come collect 5,000 from you. The thing we supposed to pay 20,000 for. You think say you dey wise? Person will not know you. Hold on.
Even though they do am.
Person will not know you.
If I tell you some good what I do for people, you no go believe. You get some good what I do.
It doesn't matter.
Use am carry wahala put for it.
This place is not your root. Number one. Yes. Number two, person where you don't know. You go now sell tire wey worth 20,000 for you. You go drop 5k and the person will tell you say, "Yeah, bring back the thing anytime you want." You think say we are naive? Do you think we are so dull that we don't have sense at all? Do you think you
See, e good make you know say truth dey beat am. Lie dey sweet, but after dem go dig am, you know say na lie.
okay?
The person be like person wey go chop money wey hook am like this.
And again,
You go dey run.
you dey carry passenger go where? You suppose
Delta.
carry passenger go Delta.
Yes.
You move from Lagos.
Yes.
You now come Ibadan, come pay money to someone, then you now turn back.
Go back.
How do you come resemble each other? They go Delta, you come reach Ibadan. So how does this? How does this like?
With your passenger.
Now they tell them say no. I don't communicate for passenger.
You no
And
communicate
even
for
though even though for road now I remember say I not tell them for back say
They don't reach Ibadan.
say I won't go give person something.
Okay, oh yeah, between you and I, now who they send you this kind of job? Who did you want to hand them over to?
Now
Who do you want to hand your passenger over to?
I don't know.
You don't know. Who is sending you on this kind of devilish job? Hello?
Odetta.
Hello?
No way.
Wetin you do? Na suspected kidnapping. E be like say you wan kidnap your passengers. Okay, so na who send you this kind of job? Na who send you? Na who send you this kind of job? Answer me now.
The job.
Yes.
Na my work now.
To be kidnapping.
Which can
Get car for
Wetin you
Who
do
check
na
me out?
suspected kidnapping. You took people from Lagos. You were going to Delta. You now take them to Ibadan.
How did you come to Ibadan?
Ah.
What are you doing in Ibadan? Tell us now. I will cut your face for you.
I can't give Fortnite money.
Where?
Money wey I take buy tire for the hand.
For Ibadan, yeah.
Now turn say make we dey go back. Now turn now say make we dey go back.
How much you pay the person?
Na he say 20,000.
How many passengers did you carry? How many passengers did you carry? How many passengers did you carry? 6. So you carry 6 people.
I don't tire for it. Na me do it.
Why did you want to carry another passenger at toll gate? Why did you want to carry another passenger at toll gate?
In the talk say this is Shagam. Now tap small break. The man they run. So the same man not carry one. I not go carry him now. I go carry person for.
Why did you
road.
press brake for the person who you know and you know one carrier? Why did you not press brake? You think say you dey wise? You are a woman.
Ẹni tó fẹ́ link ẹ̀ lọ́dún tí ó kù wọn lọ.
I see the talk and say na my fault.
Wà á yarí pé a ti pé inú mọ́tò kí ló fẹ́ gbé èèyàn sí iye tí àwọn yòókù ti sọ.
Na my fault. I say I dey call person first dey call me. Na my wife dey call me when they dey talk. Even though go check my phone number and my picture. Na only phone wey dey there na this one dey there na my pikin.
We are not cool. You are going to Wari.
Because they have not
Ibadan, not your room.
talking like this.
And then you said I want to buy tire at Ibadan. You have to communicate with your.
Shower, you like a dog.